Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're back with another Star Citizen video. If you're new channel, welcome. This one is called Sandstorm, Star Citizen Machinima. I hope I said that correctly. By Waylander. So shout out and credit goes to Waylander for the video. This has been recommended to me by one of my viewers, so I decided to take note of it. And it looks like it's pretty short. It's 8 minutes and 53 seconds, and I'm looking at the beginning of the video. It says this is a non-commercial fan production, so this is a fan-made film, and they're basically saying we're not endorsed or sponsored or anything like that, so that's cool. But fan-made films have been doing pretty well. I watched a lot of fan-made films of Star Wars, Warhammer 40k, and also I think 1 or 2 of Halo, and they all did amazing work. And every time I look at the comment section, they always say the same thing: hire them, hire them. Well, this is my very first fan-made film of Star Citizen, and I'm really looking forward to it. So without anything else, let's jump into the video. Yeah, so right there, no independent rights, nothing like that. 97. Wow, 97 players.
Target spotted.
I need help.
Request permission to open fire. Open fire! Open fire! Turn around, I'll cut you in two.
I'm hit. Oh, he went down. Hey, great intro. The camera work, the filming, the commentary, so far really great. Earlier.
Gentlemen, here's the situation. The enemy has retreated back to an outpost on Daymar. We must drive them out of there before they receive reinforcements. Intelligence confirmed the presence of anti-air defense, whose exact position remains unknown. Charlie, you must search and destroy them. Once the airspace is under control, Eagle will drop Bravo on the ground to contain any counterattack. As usual, Falcon will finish the job. Let's get to work.
All units proceed to your post assignments. All units proceed to your post assignments.
So far, I really like how they're presenting it and how they're doing the shots. They're great. Oh, taking fire.
He's right beneath you.
I'm hit.
Senator's hit. It's going down.
Drink down. Mayday.
Breaking formation.
Damn. There's like a third one.
I'm on your way, partner.
Hold on. We're going down.
Hull breached. Everyone hang on.
635 landing zone.
Get ready to jump on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Woo! Door gunner's just getting at it. How are they able to shoot this? I mean, because I don't know if, from what I've been seeing in Star Citizen, it's usually like a first-person shooter game. Maybe you could do third-person. I don't know. But how are they able to get the camera angles to do this? That is really crazy. Let's see. 635, Val 7, crash site.
Eagle 1, Val 7 down. Survivors are under attack. Requesting close air support. Stack.
Oh, the Wilhelm scream. Headquarters.
Commander, target has been located.
Oh, one of the anti-air missiles. Woo! Nice. Damn, what was that? A railgun? I really like the voices and everything over like the comms. Like you could hear how chaotic it is. I'm hit. We're being outflanked, things like that, to add the realism of this. So I really like how they did that. And every shot so far has been perfect, showing both sides. Both sides taking casualties and them spotting like anti-aircraft vehicles and weapons. Everything so far great.
Objective completed.
X-ray under fire. Oh, which side's gonna win?
We need more firepower, sir.
Copy that. Weapons hot.
Oh, they're bringing in tanks. Hey, the Hercules Starlifter. See, I told you guys, the Crusader Hercules Starlifter is one of the best logistical supports there is. I mean, look, when you need help, it's heavily armored. It's got turrets at the bottom, and on top of that, it can drop tanks where you need it. So, like I said, great ship to have. Quest air support. Oh, here it comes. Approaching target.
Detected moving southwest, about 50 feet ahead. 50 feet ahead. Fire in the hole!
Shackle 21 for Riesling. Request permission to open fire.
Open fire! Open fire!
Oh, how's this gonna go?
Target locked and ready.
Damn.
Target destroyed.
Somebody get this guy.
I'll cut you in two.
Oh, and that's what we saw in the beginning.
I'm on his tail. I'm on his tail. I'm going for it. I'm going for the shot right now. Roger, engage. I'm taking a shot.
You okay, Sam?
Nice hit.
Harry, huh? Let's go back to base.
Enemy target spotted. Permission to fire.
Enemy base. Oh, they found the enemy base. Oh, that looks like enemy tanks. What they gonna do? Wait, that's it? Credits. Oh, come on, man. Waylander. From fans of love, made by the community. Oh, there's more at the end. Music, organization, special thing. So it looks like cast, order of appearance. It was France, United States. I forgot what the one with the cross. I think it may be Denmark. And one of them is Germany, and the other one is crap. Sorry, guys. I'm not an expert with all the flags. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. If you guys can tell me the rest of them or confirm if I was correct, please let me know in the comments below. I really do appreciate it. But if I didn't say your flag correctly, I do apologize. Let's skip ahead a little bit. All right, post-credit scene. Damn. Guess he doesn't tolerate failure. So what's the plan? Is there a part 2 sequel? To be continued. All right. Well done, Waylander. Okay, so that was a really very fun video to watch. I mean, it was great. It really did feel like I was watching a movie. It took a lot of people to make this. 97 people. Wow. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's more than 97 people. I think he said that 97 players that helped contribute to make this. So I'm probably guessing it's probably a little over 100. But really great video. I really liked how it was shot back and forth. You could see inside the cockpits. You could see like the characters running across the planes and shooting and doing their work. So it was really great. I mean, just like many other people say, hire them. Maybe make like a TV show out of it, or maybe a movie. That would be really great to see. But this was a great recommendation, so thank you so much for that. So that's all I got for today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop the next video. And also shout out to all my members, subscribers, viewers. You guys are amazing. You guys are the reason why this channel keeps on going and growing. So without anything else, I'll see you guys next time.